What up guys, so today we're gonna be unboxing the Luxe Organix 100% pure castor oil. So it's cold press. As you can see here in the box, on the box it says it promotes hair, soothes and nourishes hair. Has It's hexane and paraben free. So it's 120 ml. So I bought it from Watson's. The price for this is 219 pesos. So about the product, so it says here it's 100% natural, produced with the highest quality standards using real castor oil. Great for the skin and hair, rich in vitamins and fatty acids. Castor oil promotes better hair growth and helps nourish and hydrate the skin. Suitable for all hair and skin types. Made using organic, chemical-free substances, the castor oil is perfect for all skin types. It is also free from artificial additives and won't cause any allergies and irritations when used. So ganda, no? Hindi ka magka-allergy kasi nga organic nga siya, walang halong chemical. Ika nga yung sa kanta na sobrang natural, walang halong chemical. And then it's great for skin and hair, all natural, and then it's cold pressed oil. So the castor oil is processed mechanically without heat or chemical substances like hexane. This way it retains all the healing properties of the oil without any harmful additives or ingredients. So let's open this na. So this is my first time using a castor oil, and I hope so lang na effective talaga siya. So it's sealed with plastic. Oops, sorry, my bad. So, eto siya guys. So, meron siyang dropper. So, 120 ml. So, directions. Dispense 1 to 3 drops onto palms and massage onto palms and massage into clean hair, skin, nails, face and body. Apply castor oil directly on infected area for treatment. Leave it on for a few hours to fully absorb. So I recommend using this guys kapag you're going to sleep na, kasi nga kailangan siyang i-leave it on for a few hours. So, I'm not sure if odorless ba to or hindi. So, ito yung box. Wala na ibang laman. So, it says here, 100% pure, natural, no additives, no chemical free. Indications: soothes sunburns, effectively softens and hydrates skin, fades scars and stretch marks, prevents hair loss and thickens hair and eyelashes. So kaya binili ko to kasi nga dahil sa hair loss, hopefully kakapal na yung buhok ko. And then, so bagay din to sa mga gustong magpataas ng mga eyelashes nila or mga hair nila. Pati na rin sa gustong mawala yung mga peklat sa mga skin nila. It says here, fade scars and stretch marks. So bagay din to sa mga chumachabi or tumatamba kasi nga may stretch marks, or sa mga bagong nanganak dyan, pwede rin to sa inyo, and prevents hair loss. Yun nga. And then castor oil can also be used to remedy skin infections such as ringworms and athlete's foot. So sa mga meron dyan, itong solution para sa problema nyo. So cautions: for external use only, avoid contact with eyes, conduct and skin test first, stop using and consult a doctor if skin becomes red, swollen, and itchy during use. Keep out of reach of children, store in room temperature. So try natin guys. Paano ito i-open? Ito. So, ito yung droplets niya guys. So, 1, 2, 3 drops daw. 1, 2, 3. So, yun. And then, massage din dito, palm, or saan nyo i-apply. Pwede na rin dito. So, yun yung apply nyo sa hair nyo. So, pwede nyo i-apply sa mga peklat nyo. Like, for example, eto, meron akong peklat dito. It says fade scars. So, eventually, mawawala din to. I'm not sure kung ilang araw or ilang weeks lalabas yung effect. Pero, there's no harm in trying naman kasi nga, organic naman to. Hindi naman to chemical. So, hopefully, walang side effects. So, ito lang guys. Mabili nyo to sa Watsons for only 119 pesos. And then, yun. So, if you have any questions regarding this product, you can just comment down below, or you can just message me directly, and I can also help you anything. If you want to know what are the results, so maybe check ko muna in a few weeks. You can just message me for the feedback para malaman nyo na kung anong results after using this product. So that's it guys, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and click the notification bell for more to keep you updated on my new videos. Thank you and bye.